This is fine.
I swear all Goldens are obsessed with that particular ball. Look at his eyebrows after dropping, thinking eyebrows.
No, not in a million years. You get that thing
Okay,
away from
this
me.
is hilarious.
They're nice.
She never did get used to this pool toy.
They're flipping nice. That guy looks like he may have been there.
Can't keep those little eyes open, but not put toy down. Mom, what is this thing? Heckin' hoppy frog? I will do a protect mom. Are you sure this is dog's toy? Goldens love to chew, but this thing's too hard for them.
Kaya, yay, another Shopee! Tala! Wow, big!
In the beginning his eyes made me think this is a sad occasion, and you should buy Teddy more toys, he's been through heartbreak. But the smile at graveside says he knows he will be a new one. He is obsessed with grandma's hair.
Mom, wait, just wait.
We see a dog with dinosaur toy again. I wonder why they love dinosaurs so much. Not only for softness of toys, right?